Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews and unboxings. Today it's all about Uwalia Warrior undergarments. So let's see what they look like. Love the wrapping, how delicately everything is done. So this is one of their designs. Ooh. So we got the sheer mesh on both sides, making it very breathable. It's like a seamless cut on the top and on the bottom. Sheer all the way until the back. This is like the perfect underwear to like go underneath like a tight dress or something like that, so that there's no lines per se. But the cut over here on the bottom makes for a really nice, good fit, a comfortable fit. Super, super cute underwear. Love the color, you know, super stretchy as well. Once again, delicately wrapped. Ooh, even a little piece in the middle. Oh, what does it say? It says thirst day. Okay. So this is when Thursday, underwear day, wear this, but also, you know, high-waisted, got the lace seams, super, super soft. This is actually sheer, and this is what the back looks like. But I mean, in general, they have loads of designs and colors and everything to choose from, but everything that they do is manufactured actually in Boston, Massachusetts. Fabrics, as they said, are made to last if you treat them right, just like you, hand wash and line dry only. So there's really delicate, beautifully made underwear that you can wear, you know, for maybe luxuries or, you know, special nights, stuff like that. That's design number 1. And this is design number 2. Which design do you like? Let me know in the comments. I prefer number 2. And if you want to see more unboxings, please make sure to subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.